Hello everyone and welcome back to How Logical. We are back with another tutorial, and in this video we will be showing you how to see the last seen status on Instagram if it is hidden. On your Instagram application, you can see how long ago your friends were active. Sometimes you may not be able to see this though. This happens when your activity is hidden. Let's go into the Instagram application. Tap on the messages icon at the top right corner. In here you will find all of your conversations on Instagram. On your conversations list, if you are unable to find their activity status under their username, then go into your application homepage, then tap on your account icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and then go into Settings. Now from the Settings menu, go into Privacy, and then tap on Activity Status. Now press on the Show Activity Status button to activate it. This will show your activity status to all of the accounts that you are connected with, and you will be able to see theirs as well. Now if you go into your conversations list, you will be able to see how long ago all of your friends were active. So that's all for this video. If you like our content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.